You know what? You want to learn how to ask directions in English. At the end of this lesson, you are going to learn how to ask and understand simple sentences. You can listen like a podcast or watch and repeat. Both are good. If you want, you can listen while asleep. Hello everyone, welcome. It is very nice to see you here today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving yourself this calm time to learn English slowly and clearly. Today you are going to learn one very useful skill in English: how to ask for directions and how to give directions. For example, you are in a new city. You are on holiday. You want to find the bus station. You want to find the train station. Maybe you want to find cafe, a bank, a park, or your hotel. You have your phone, but maybe the battery is low or the internet is not working or the map is confusing. In that moment, you need people. You need simple English. You need to ask, "Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?" In this lesson, we will practice these three sentences together. We will speak slowly. We will repeat many times. We will stay at A1 and A2 level in English. You will listen. You will repeat. You will answer very simple questions, step by step, calm, clear, and natural. Before we start, let us relax together for a moment. Please sit a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders. Let your face relax. Thank you, my friend. Now, take a slow breath with me. Very good. You are doing great. There is no stress here. Just slow English. You are safe. You are learning at your own pace. Maybe in the past you felt nervous in the street. You wanted to ask for help in English, but your mind became empty. You forgot the words. You were afraid to speak strangers. This is normal. Many English learners feel the same. But today we will change that together. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to start a polite conversation in the street. Ask for direction. Understand. Simple answers. Talk about left, right, and straight. Talk about buildings and place in the city. And repeat full mini dialogues for directions. Let us begin. Imagine you are walking in the city. You want to find the train station. You see a friendly person on the street. First, you need a polite hello to start conversation. Don't forget it. Listen and repeat these polite openers. Excuse me, repeat after me. Excuse me. Very good. Excuse me. Great. Hello, excuse me. Good. Now we add the question. Here are some very useful questions. Excuse me, where is the train station? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, where is the supermarket? For example, excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the nearest ATM? Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the train station? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, where is the supermarket? Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the nearest ATM? Very good. You are doing great in a very good job. This one is longer, but it is also very common and very polite. How can I get to? For example, how can I get to the city center? How can I get to the museum? How can I get to the hospital? Repeat. How can I get to the city center? How can I get to the museum? How can I get to the hospital? Great. You are doing great work. Now we add the third part. Can you tell me how can I get to? For example, can you tell me how to get to the train station? Can you tell me how to get to the park? Repeat. Can you tell me how to get to the train station? Can you tell me how to get to the park? Wonderful. You sound very clear. So, we have three main question types now. Where is? How can I get to? Can you tell me how to get to? All of them are good. All of them are polite. All of them are useful. Now we will practice some place words. Same city words. Repeat after me. Street, square, bank, school, station, bus stop, post office, museum, hospital, supermarket, pharmacy, restaurant, cafe, shopping mall. Very good. You are doing great. Now we need direction words. These are very important. Left, right, street, in front of, behind, near, far, on the corner, at the corner, opposite, between. Repeat with me. Left, right, street, in front of, behind, next to, near, far, at the corner, opposite, between. Wonderful. You are doing great. Now we build very simple direction sentences. Imagine you are the person who gives directions. You want to help a tourist. Listen first. Go straight. Go straight ahead. Go straight on. Turn left. Maybe you're left here, I don't know. Turn right. Go past the bank. Go to the end of the street. At the corner, turn left. At the traffic lights, turn right. It is on your left. It is on your right. It is on the corner. It is next to the supermarket. It is across from the bank. It is opposite the school. Now repeat after me slowly. Go straight. Go straight ahead. Turn left. Turn right. Go past the bank. Go to the end of the street. At the corner, turn left. At the traffic lights, turn right. It's on your left. It's on your right. It's on the corner. It is next to the supermarket. It is across from the bank. It is opposite the school. Very good. You are doing great. Good job. Now we will connect questions and answer small dialogues. First you only listen, then if you want repeat. Excuse me, where is the train station? Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic lights. The train station is your right, next to the big hotel. Listen again. Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic lights. The train station is your right, next to the big hotel. Hello, excuse me. How can I get to the city center? Go straight for 2 blocks. Then turn right. You will see a big square. The city center is there. Listen again. Go straight for 2 blocks. Then turn right. You will see a big square. The city center is there. Repeat after me. Go straight for 2 blocks. Then turn right. You will see a big square. The city center is there. Great. Now some people speak fast. When you are in a real situation, you can ask them to repeat or speak more slowly. This is very important. Here are some simple sentences. Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Sorry, can you say that again, please? Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please? This is very important. Repeat or listen. Sorry, can you repeat that, please? It's your turn. Sorry, can you say that again, please? Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please? Wonderful. Now we will practice at all of this in a shadowing style. You will be the tourist first. Later you will be the local person. First, you are the tourist. I will be the person in the street. I will speak your lines first, then you repeat. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, how can I get to the park? Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the post office? Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please? Very good. Now you will be the local person. You will give direction. I will say the tourist question, then I will say the answer. You repeat only the answer. Tourist. Excuse me, where is the park? Go straight ahead and turn the right. The park is on your left. Repeat the answer. Go straight ahead and turn right. The park is on your left. Tourist. Excuse me, how can I get to the hospital? Answer. Go past the supermarket. At the traffic lights, turn left. The hospital is on the corner. Repeat after me if you want. Go past supermarket. At the traffic lights, turn left. The hospital is on the corner. Tourist, can you tell me how to get to the bus station? Answer, go to the end of the street. Then turn right and go straight. The bus station is next to the big shopping mall. Now let us slow down and focus on some important small words. These small words are very powerful in directions. Sorry, we will continue part 2. Backlight battery is finished. If you like the video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe because this is very important for me. Thank you for watching. If you want, you can watch again and repeat with me. You will learn speak English. Thank you, my friend. Goodbye.